Here at iGov, we are excited to share with you our idea of how to improve communication within your community using a website. Over the last several years, one of our owners has served on his city's planning commission and city council. Their city had a member of their community updating and hosting their website on a volunteer basis. This was a cost-effective solution, and everything went as planned for the first few months. Eventually, however, it became increasingly difficult for the city to get updates or improvements made to their website. At this point, the city decided to find another solution. During this process, they asked the following questions. How will we benefit from a website? By becoming the focal point of communication within your community, a website will help your city staff and elected officials better connect with your residents. Our websites are equipped with elected official pages, which allow each elected official to create their own blog-style page so they can post their thoughts on issues the community has recently addressed or is currently facing. How do we get our website created, and what support do we need? Our team will work with you to create a unique website with the look, layout, and color scheme you prefer. If you already have a website, we will use the same domain name for your new site. We will also provide training and an orientation to teach your staff how to use the administrative console of your website. We offer unlimited support via email or phone. If you have any questions, we want to help. How hard is it going to be to maintain our website? iGov websites are designed to be used by people with no technical background. When you log into the administrative console of your website, it gives you several options to edit and manage your site at the top of the screen. One of these is titled Preview Site, and clicking on it takes us to your home page. From this page, you have the ability to use our front-end editing feature to manage your site. The small gray box to the right of each content module gives you several options. The pencil will allow you to edit the content. If we click on the arrows, we notice that these will rearrange the order of the content on the page. And the X button allows us to delete the content. At the top of your home page, there are different links that will take you to different pages on your website. This is the navigation. To edit the navigation, click on the navigation option at the top of your screen and it will show you those same links that were on your home page. We can delete or rearrange these pages using the commands to the right of each page. Let's say that you would like to add a new web page. Click on the New Page icon at the bottom of the administrative console. It will ask us for the type of web page, and for this example we will click on New Web Page. At this point, we need to title the new web page and save. After saving the page, it will immediately show us a view of the new page without any content. Now all that is left is to add some content. To do this, we will simply click on the Add Content link. It gives us the option to add different modules depending on the type of content we wish to add. For general content, we will click on the Content module. It will ask for a heading, which we will call First Annual Community Bike Ride. If we would like to add an image, it is as easy as attaching a file to an email. Click Browse, and then find the image you would like to add, and then click Open. Then we have the option to choose from several alignments which are available. Now we just need to add some content below. Let's just keep it short and say that we want them to join us for food and fun. Let's also say that you would like to point them to additional resources to prepare for the ride. If we type click here for more details, we can then add a hyperlink to the word here. If we have a document that we have created that gives more details about the ride, then we can upload that document, and when they click on the word here, that document will come up. Or let's say that there are more details on the county website and you want to link them to a page on their site. Just type the web address where you would like to take them. For this example, we will just type in yahoo.com and save. Let's save this module and look at the final product. We see that the content we have just added is now on the page. And if we click on the hyperlink, it will take us to yahoo.com. Now let's say that we would like to reposition this page into the submenu of Parks and Recreation. We will click on the navigation link at the top of the administrative console and then click on the up arrow until the bike ride page is beneath Parks and Recreation. Once it is below this page, we can reposition it into the submenu by clicking the right arrow. If we preview this page, we notice that the Community Bike Ride page no longer shows up in the main navigation, but instead shows up in the submenu when we mouse over Parks and Recreation. There are more content modules designed to fit a specific need. For instance, if you would like to create a business directory for your website, add the Business Directory module and it will ask for specific information about businesses within your community. A few other popular modules are the City Code module for posting city code online, the Minutes and Agenda module for tracking all the minutes and agenda for City Council meetings by date, and the Calendar module. The Calendar module is very popular because of how easy it is to give departments their own calendar on the website, and then have a consolidated calendar that will combine all of the other calendars into one. You can even give each department the ability to manage their own calendar within the site. Most people would be concerned about granting access to city employees and letting them edit the website. Let me show you how there is absolutely no risk in doing this with an iGov website. From the Administrative Console, we see that two of the options above are users and groups. Creating a group will allow us to give certain rights to that group. For example, let's create a group titled Parks and Recreation. We will use that as the title and then check the boxes next to the pages this group is allowed to edit. Then we will save the group by clicking Save. Once we have created the group, we may now add users for that group. Click on the Users link and add a new user. Type in the information for the user you would like to add. So we have Yogi Bear as the head of Parks and Recreation Department. Leaving the password filled blank will allow the user to select their own password when logging in for the first time. Add email and phone number and then select the group in which they participate. Whenever this user logs into the Administrative Console using their password-protected login, they will only have access to edit the pages you allow them to. This way, the responsibilities of keeping the calendar up to date can be delegated to different departments within your community, and there is no worry of the site being erased. And just in case something important is deleted from your website, keep in mind that we back up your site to 3 different servers across the country on a daily basis so that any information can be recovered at any time. How can we afford this on our city's budget? For anyone who has looked into creating a website, they are well aware of the fact that to create an attractive site with useful components, it could cost upwards of $10,000 to $20,000. And then to maintain the site and keep it up to date, you have to either hire someone full-time or contract it out. Just keeping the site updated can become quite costly over time. Most communities have a hard time justifying this kind of cost. iGov has come up with the perfect solution. Our proprietary content management system has been designed to enable non-technical users to update and change content on a website while maintaining a professional and attractive look. Since our management system has already been created, there is no need to build your site from ground up. There is no upfront cost for creating your site because the framework has already been put in place. We start each new website from the halfway point, saving you thousands of dollars in development costs. All you are responsible for is a low monthly service fee. This fee is based on population and provides unlimited access to the proprietary content management system, hosting for your website, backing up and recovery of your site, unlimited phone and email support, and email account setup for your city. Although there is an agreement defining the relationship between your city and iGov, there is not a binding contract. We believe that if we provide a high-quality product with high-quality support, you will want to keep our service without a contract. In respect for your time, we have only mentioned a few of the features iGov websites have to offer. For a detailed list of capabilities, please refer to the written proposal. In addition, we are available for teleconference or webinar to answer any remaining questions you may have. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to working with you.